Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to make VLC the default media player on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. VLC is one of the most popular media player out there for all the operating system. So if you want to use VLC as a default media player on your Chromebook, then you can easily do so. For that, first of all, we have to install VLC. You can install VLC using Google Play Store or the Linux container. Let me show you both the method. To install the Linux version of VLC Media Player, simply open Google Play Store. Here click on search option, search for VLC. Select it from the search result. Then click on install and this will install the Android version of VLC Media Player. However, if you want to install the full desktop version, then you can use the Linux container. For that, first of all, you have to enable Linux development environment on your Chromebook. I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have enabled Linux development environment, you can simply click on App Launcher icon, open the terminal application, click on Penguin option to get the terminal access, and here you need to run simple command. One is sudo apt update and hit the enter key and wait for the update process to complete. After that, you have to upgrade the packages. For that, simply type sudo apt upgrade, then hit enter key, and after that simply type sudo apt install VLC. This will install the Linux version of VLC Media Player on your Chromebook. Once done, simply close the terminal application, open Files app, select any video file, right click on it, then click on Open With. Here click on Change Default and select VLC Media Player. Now, whenever you try to open any video file, it will get opened in VLC Media Player. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.